What is this? Huh? I can't remember asking you to bring the food into my room.
Well, I did it for a purpose.
And what could that be?
My prince, please, promise me you're going to defend me if anyone should find out I brought your food to your room.
Okay, I promise. Now tell me, what's your purpose of bringing this food to my room?
I came to actually tell you something very important.
I'm all ears.
Well, I overheard Sarah telling her former nominee that he saw you coming out of my room the other day we had sex.
What's the big deal if I come to your room? Does she know what I came to tell you?
I believe she does. Because she's told them that she heard us screaming. And she will tell the queen, the king, and Amanda.
What?
My prince, please, I want you to help me deal with her. So next time she will learn how to mind her business.
It's okay. I'll do that.
Listen, who no know? Every day not trouble. Anywhere you pass, people go to cry. So because you be prince, you the post now. Some people not king for their end. With your car, you the flex now. Some people get them plenty for their end. I every day wahala. If you not slap, you go punch you. Every day palava. Now which can prince be this you? My brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The level where you then not be by power. Quiet yourself. Say my brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The life where you then live not be by power. Quiet yourself. See the level where you're there today. It is nothing to some people out there. So make you quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. I who knows tomorrow? Nobody knows tomorrow. Onye mechi, imanechi dimeo. To make you cool it down. Make it cool. Nobody knows tomorrow. So because you be prince,
Agabus, you too beg, Agabus.
Some people not king for them.
Future queen, better give space. Better give you chance. See, let nobody try you. You too fresh. Be like tomatoes. Nobody, you're not supposed to be getting egg. Everywhere soft. You fuck me. I did alright.
I know what you want.
Shake my leg. Shake my leg.
How are you? How you doing? Been around busy. Carry your bag.
Leave baggy, you don't find smarty. You don't do Mona they go. When I clear road, now me the run things for you. May nobody try me. Move on this.
Hello, darling.
Hey. Just be there. Hi, baby. How are you?
I'm good.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And what are both of you doing here? Is this your duty post? Huh? Come on. Get your duty post.
Come on, Lucy. When will you stop bullying people? Treat everyone with equity. Onyinye and Ofoma are my friends.
Please, do not just get me angry, okay?
Fine.
Let's go inside. You're welcome. I did not ask you to bend it for me. I overheard you saying that you're the one that is running things in this place.
Oh, no, yes. I said we get plenty things. As in things plenty for inside in case you want anything.
Okay.
I know the wrong.
Okay, now you the wrong things.
I want the wrong.
run things here.
Don't run things here.
Cheers.
It took the beg money. It took the beg money. I got booze.
Wait, the prince have been seeing us with Amanda and has never complained. Why today?
Afoma, why are you killing yourself over someone who doesn't even have regard for his own self, left alone others?
Look, Sarah, you don't know how bad I feel. Like, you don't know how terribly bad I feel being dehumanized by a mere human being like me. What kind of rubbish is that now?
Onyinye, the world is free for all. Make your option.
I think you're right, my sister. You're absolutely right.
Baby, I understand your plight against what His Highness wants for you. You're a better person when you're not angry. Please, I want you to go back to that quiet, calm, and loving man I used to know. It will do us a lot of good. I love you, and I don't want to lose you.
Baby, I love you too. But you know, sometimes all these things happens unknowingly. And before I know it, I've already acted.
You just have to renew your mind. You need to.
I will try. Hey! How dare you?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Eh? Are you stupid? How dare you barge into my room without knocking?
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry,
What's your problem?
I only came to collect the plate I used to serve you food.
You dey craze? Come on, get out of here. Come on, get out.
I'm sorry.
Get out. Stupid. Can you imagine?
Did you ask her to serve the food in the room?
No, yes, but that's not enough reason for her coming in here without knocking. It's not done.
That is what I'm talking about. You need to control your temper.
Make you cool it down. Make you cool Nobody knows tomorrow. So because you be prince, you the post now. Some people not king for their end. With your car, you the flex now. Some people get them plenty for their end. I every day wahala.
What do you call this kind of nonsense now, eh? Look at how this evil girl just ruined my plans. What is this now?
Oh my God.
So, you actually have the intention of taking over Amanda's position?
Daddy. See, you think witches succeed every day? Eh? You think witches succeed every day? Your witchcraft plan has failed you today. Amuswacha.
You're actually right, you know. She could be a witch.
Stay there now.
A big one. A very big one. But anything that is secret that has been revealed under the sun has totally lost its potency.
You can't say that again.
Totally.
You cannot have the prince. The prince is not for you. The prince is not for people like you. You can have him.
Let's go.
Beg now. Do you understand what they talk? I will take care of you.
Yeah?
Yes.
I got it.
You understand?
You take care of me.
Yes now. Your problem is say you two the day inside, the day inside, the day inside. I beg. No, I know they look anything. You see, no be like that.
No.
See, give me this thing now.
What are you looking at?
Make I suck this thing. May I lick you? I beg.
You know well, oh.
Make I lick you.
Lick that thing, go your position. Go
I will
stay.
lick all your ear. Everything. I will lick everything. See, make I tell you, I know say it's hard for you to give me. I no go pound you. Make I just enter there, even if I no pound. I think just the rubber. Trust me, I no go pound.
I Agabus, you no get sense.
I dey tell you the
You
fact.
no get sense.
I mean,
Go your post, go dey talk down nonsense.
Pastor Wilson no do reach me. Look my tongue. I dey finish work.
Agabus the pounder.
How? We started discussing with Lebechi because he never watched Black Panther. Abi?
Started discussing with Lebechi.
I dey tell am about this thing. She say she wan cook. I say wetin she wan cook. Say pounded yam. I say pounder. Anytime she wan pound, make I help her pound. Na him be that pounder wey you hear. Make you no go dey reason rubbish. Even if I dey discuss anything with her, wetin happen? Anything spoil? Person no fit talk to Lebechi again.
Agabus. Agabus.
Yes. Na bad thing to pound. If you get any evil thing for me, I better remove am. I'm not like you. I know I dey mind my business, but I can pound.
Agabus, I will tell the king.
Tell you, go be like say person just dey carry the talk. Now it don't happen 2 seconds, everywhere blast to get it. Sure.
My queen.
Yes.
My mama say make I give you 10 ogiri.
Oh, wow.
The free one.
Oh, thank you. I can smell it.
But you see this one?
Yes.
No pay. But if you bring another one later, you feel pay. But this one, na free.
Oh, that's very kind of your mother. But you know what? I am going to compensate you, or rather, I'll appreciate you.
Afoma.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go to my handbag. Count out 10,000. Put it in an envelope and bring it for me.
Okay.
I get very happy. When I tell her, say, now you even want ogiri.
Yes.
Even the way you want, I say, we will deliver it to you. That's nice. This is Teke or not Teke.
You don't do now. Now don't they forget who really originates the thing. Who bring her? They know they talk about them again. Be like say I don't do here. But I be now. I don't spoil everyone to be now.
Everywhere and everything soft.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay. Here's 10,000 naira for you. Yes.
10,000 naira.
And as long as you keep bringing ogili for me, I will keep appreciating you.
Mako ogiri.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, my queen.
Thank you.
See, any day when you won't make I do anything for you, ogiri or no ogiri, I will come do am.
No problem. I'll send for you, okay? All right.
Okay, make I dey go.
Okay.
Bless you. All right. I see how often.
No, later. I will call you.
They don't give you money now. I ain't no go be later. Where you come?
I get boss.
Oma, she's not educationally sound, but I guess she's trying. Maybe I should get her to work in the palace and serve him. But would she be serviceable? That's the question. I would never know except I try. Oh, that's true. She said she wouldn't mind serving me. Not a bad idea at all. Not a bad idea.
Afoma.
Your Majesty.
Can you please call Agabus for me, please?
Okay, Your Majesty.
Good morning, Agabus. How are you?
You and this your softness. Anyway, do you know where Oma stays?
Though, Your Majesty, but you get one house when she points give me when we come from market.
Beautiful. I need you to tell her to come see me. Okay?
Okay, Your Majesty.
Aga boss? Are you putting on weight or something? You need to watch what you eat.
And everywhere never really soft like that too. That means if everywhere soft, I go blow.
No, let them soft, okay? It won't be nice if you blow.
Okay.
Thank you.
And because I don't want to go anywhere, I want to date with you, my love.
You want to deal with me? Are you serious?
Yes. I don't want to go now.
Why?
I say I want to date with you. Abi, you know like him?
Serious?
I want to date with you.
I like him.
You like him?
Yes, I like him very well. Hey!
Oh, they do that thing.
Somebody,
No, they do am. No, they like him.
See, you're the love of my life.
Hey.
See, there is no me without you.
You know, make I tell you.
Tell me.
Anytime when they call me all this sweet name,
Like.
it they torture me for my body.
Ew.
I don't die. You go kill me, oh.
Torturing me one time.
You go kill me, oh.
Ew. Torturing me too.
Mama.
Eh?
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, is Obi here?
Obi? No.
Hey! Mama, you mean Obi is not here? Hey! Oh.
What is... Calm down. What's the problem?
Mama, I went to his shop. His shop is locked. Customers are there to buy things.
Okay.
He's not around.
Hey.
Yes.
He left here since with Omao. It's been long he left. I think by now they should have gotten to the shop.
Hey, where did he go now? I came here to collect tea from him. Obioma. Hey, this your love is becoming too much. Hey. Mama, hey. At least let me go now. Let me start going since he's not here. Bye, Ma.
Who is this? Obi. Yeah.
Fine girl. How you doing?
Must you touch me?
Chubby, must you touch me? You be ghost.
A low life, stop me. And you even want to have me.
Hey! Now me they call you life. Who won't have you? I don't tell you say I won't have you. Huh? No, I put boxers. I push you enter on computer bid where you say I want to have you. What did they want to yourself? What did they feel like? Because I say you be fine girl. You really fine? Are you really fine? Why they say you can't call you fine girl? What did they worry you?
Who do you think you are? An ordinary palace gate man?
Come on, my friend, shut up there. So you even know who I be now, you can't even the form. You know, since I mean they control the palace, now you can't the form. Eh? But come to think of it, for you to even open my call ordinary gates man, you better pass me. You even better pass all the dog and all the animals where they inside that palace. You better pass them. Eh? You know such days so you be like dog, you know them. Because I call you fine girl. You be like dog. Hey. But normally, I fuck up as I even take call you fine. I dey mess up right now as I even call you fine girl. You fine pass me. Yes.
Me?
Yes, now what you be? Hey, talk rubbish. I never even told you. Don't they form, don't they hang like that. They feel. What do they feel like? You can't waste my. You don't see the kind of fresh boy before.
Don't worry. I'm coming to report it to you. You are calling me dog.
You can report me to.
Look at you. You think say you fine? Ochako Amaka.
Say you can report me to. You go do.
I'll report it to you.
Come to the palace. Come report me.
Okay, I'm coming.
Who go open gate for you? Come on, get out from this place. See your leg.
Ochako Amaka, you say you fine.
See your tenses. Come on, get out there.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
No, oh, you are coming. Don't come here, oh. Don't come here. You are coming, idiot. I never even touch you. You are coming. Now you are the fight up and down. What happened?
Hey,
yeah?
Aga.
Aga. No, only Aga. My name is Agabus.
You dey vex?
No, I no go vex. You start with man, they call me Aga. Meanwhile, I don't dey look for you since.
No, wait, now.
I go your house. You understand? Your mama say you know dey. Now they go back. Now I don't even know say you dey inside bush. They run one round. The queen they call you.
You don't know this man where they here. That's somebody where they very special to my life. Now my man friend be this. Everybody for this village know.
Now you're waiting.
Obim.
Your boyfriend.
This one na Aga. In the work for palace. Now him be gate man for palace.
Hey, stop him. Stop playing. Me stop him. I be gate man. Mr. Man. Now me be the chief security officer to the royal palace. Control everything.
Not be gate man you be for palace. Not be the gate man. Not be the gate you dey.
What's the gate makes me a gate man? Palace don't fool. I dey get. What's in there? How many people there?
It makes you a general manager. Mr. Gitman.
The queen they call you.
Mr. Gitman. Why the queen they call him?
You go better me you rush go palace go ask queen because she don't tell me. She just make I call her.
Una want to Ogiri?
I don't know whether na Ogiri, but I don't know if na Ogiri. She for tell me. She just say make I call you.
No.
Na queen I say they call her.
You know say na the queen be this. I no go.
Na the queen.
I no go disrespect am. Make I go see am. Oh.
You just go and cut our.
I go see you. Oh, how they like what they do?
Listen now.
No.
Oma, you don't do.
I go see you. Where did they go?
Look at this little scorpion carrying big cucumber. I'm blocking my way.
Sorry.
Did you hear me honing you?
Sorry.
Oh, you want me to be wasting my horn on you?
I'm sorry.
No. Who are you to block my way?
I'm sorry.
And you allow me to be wasting my horn? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Sorry, sir.
Are you stupid?
I'm sorry.
Are you mad?
Sorry.
This time, if you block my way and allow me to waste my horn, I will pay. And you, look at yourself. This little scorpion carrying big cucumber. You're not ashamed of yourself. Do you know one? Do you know how much it cost? One? Do you know how much it cost me? Allow me wait this time. I'll wait you.
Every day na trouble. Anywhere you pass, people go to cry. So because you be prince, you dey pose now. Some people na king for their end. With your car, you dey flex now. Some people get them plenty for their end. Every day wahala. If you no slap, you go punch you. Every day palava. Now which kind prince be this you? My brother, quiet to yourself. Quiet to yourself. The level where you dare not be by power. Quiet to yourself. Say my brother, quiet to yourself. Quiet to yourself. The life where you dare live not be by power.
Oma, normally you know say you be fine girl.
Thank you.
Yeah.
In fact, thank you 1 million times.
No. Give me all the million thanks. Carry and give your boyfriend. Just give me 1,000. That your bicycle boyfriend. See, on a normal day, you know, see that's where your boyfriend they enjoy. That kiss where you give him, you supposed to give me normally.
It's a go no.
No, I say as you take the kiss your boyfriend, whether you no go fit kiss me.
What did you just say?
No be bad thing I been talk.
I know they go again.
No.
Hey, I don't they touch me.
I don't touch you. Wait, I won't take queen. Say na kiss. Now you come like say na kiss spoil the message. I don't go. Wait, I want you kiss first.
You won't make I go tell the queen. What you tell me?
No, wait till I talk now. I say no. Don't kiss me. Wait till I want you kiss do. I just dey play. Even the Bible give you only kiss. I just dey say.
No play this kind of play with
okay, don't do more they go.
Don't play this kind of play with me.
I'm okay.
This
one why they see they okay for me. Me I never even like kiss. Now this one I feel enjoy if I reach palace.
I didn't invite you here today because I want to buy ogili.
Oh.
Yes, rather there's something special I want to tell you. I would love it if you can move into the palace and stay with us. Now, listen, I really don't know what is pushing me. But there's something about you that I like, and I'd like you to stay close to me.
Oh.
But first, I need to let you know that if you're going to come in, we'll have to employ a teacher that will work on your educational background. You'll be able to get into secondary school. I mean, you're too old to start from primary school, all right?
I go like him.
You go like him, okay. And then, secondly, we, both of us, need to work on your spoken English. Do we agree to that?
Very well. I know like how they speak sometimes, but waiting I go do, I no go school now.
Yeah, don't worry, we'll take care of that. And then, the last but not the least, I'm going to talk to my husband. We'll employ you in the palace and as a maid, and we will pay you.
Now job be that too.
Job, and I'll
you
take
won't give me
care
job. Everything you do for me, still won't put job join. God bless you.
I'll bless you more.
Thank you. I go tell my mama. She go like and die. In fact, she go love and die. Thank you.
No. Let's use the word appreciate. Can you say that?
Appreciate.
Yo, you're doing well. All right, no problem.
Thank
you
ma.
Go talk to your
Thank you,
mama,
ma.
okay?
Oh.
Hurry along, yeah?
Thank you, ma.
Okay.
Well, if the girl's parents consent to her to move in here, I have no objection. It's a good venture though. But next time, try and discuss that with me before setting the pace. If I say no now, it will diminish your integrity as the queen.
Your Highness, I'm really sorry. I didn't consult you before inviting them.
Nneka, you are my mirror. In your beauty, I see myself. Thanks for reflecting the good side of me. You make me feel brand new.
Thank you.
You see, if you bring in this girl, praises will come to me. It will ease my heart over my bad past.
Your Highness, you keep talking about your bad past. Would you like to share them with me?
Oh, fret not. It is past. Everything is in the past now.
And don't talk about it. Let's talk about something else.
My daughter.
Papa.
You know, yesterday I told you that I'll give you feedback about what you told me, right? I think the queen is very correct. What she said is okay. Since I cannot afford to pay your school fees, and she has promised to train you, I'm okay. So the only thing is that you have to decide whether you want to go and work at the palace or not.
I won't work. Oh. I like the work. I did very happy. The only thing I go do now be say I go discuss the thing with Obi. Now I know what thing he go talk.
Meshonu. Obi. This is my house. I am the head of the family, and whatever I say stands. If I say something to Obi, has he paid your bride price? Did he even engage you?
Papa.
Keep on saying Obi. I don't want to hear that name again.
Papa, you want to call him? Matupi atuf. Huh? My boyfriend line.
What?
What is it? Every minute. Head of the house. Who is dragging the house with you? You are aware that Obi is her friend. If she decides to seek his opinion or tell him before she doesn't, I don't think it's a bad idea. In your case, it's Obi, you are bouncing. What is it? How can I? Does it mean that she will keep telling me about Obi? Don't tell me that you've taken bride price in my absence.
Hey.
You should know if I do agree, I will take
Women.
bride price and add it.
Obi, I get good news for you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
tell me.
The queen say she won't make her come live for palace. Make her dey work for there. With time, she go bring person who go dey come teach me English.
But I told you when I have money, I will sponsor you in school. Now you learn English now. You go to school.
Bim, you talk am, but as you never get the money, we go die. Make use of the opportunity where we dey see so.
Yeah.
As she don't say she go, they give me work. Okay, you know say she go dey pay me. They go dey pay me. I go take care of mama, take care of papa. Still from there give you, make you dey put for your provision business, make you dey grow. I go do am. Yes, now.
I know. It's good. You have good idea. But see, I will not be seeing you again now. Because all the time you be in the palace, you'll be staying there and you'll be working. How can I be seeing you all the time?
I go to see you.
Would they even allow me enter the palace if I want to see you?
I dey crazy, I no go see you. They don't go send me market again. If they send me go anywhere, I go come see you first before I go that place. That woman like me, oh. If I tell her say if you cry one day, tell her say my papa dey sick, she say make I go come.
She should not like you. Leave me. She like you. Leave.
Oh, be mo. Okay, if you dey vex, I go say I no go work for the palace again. I no work there again. Make I no work. Okay, I know they work.
No. You know I love you so much now. And I'll do anything that will make you happy. Okay now. Okay, no problem.
You know you. Oh, there.
You want to start again?
Vivi.
You want to start again? You want to start again?
Vivi.
You want to start?
Oh, we don't start though. Don't start. No, don't take this. I don't want to carry belly. Yeah.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Stop looking. What is wrong with you? Don't you know that my friend is around? What?
My friend, I want to be with you. I'm missing you.
Listen me, even when you know that my fiancé is around, something is definitely wrong with your brain. You normally go sneaking in the night. It's not even up to 8 o'clock and you're here. Don't.
My prince, why are you shouting at me? Why are you shouting?
See, listen. This will be the first and last you will come here. Do you understand? As far as I'm concerned, we have nothing in common. I don't want to ever see you here again. Do you understand? No. Move.
you staring at me like that?
I've been wanting to ask you this.
What?
Have you sometimes sent a text to my phone asking me to come outside, that you are around the palace?
No. But you should know that before I visit, we must agree on it. Why did you ask?
Never mind. Never mind.
Who was at the door?
Okay, he's one of the guards that I sent on an errand. He came to give me feedback.
Errand. What? What's errand?
Wait a minute. Where are you? Where did you go this night?
Oh, what kind of question is that? No, I don't have freedom of movement again, or what?
The way you tell they defend yourself, I'm not telling you you don't get freedom. You get freedom now. But I they ask you never answer my question. Where you they go this night?
Agabus, listen to me. I am in serious pain. Don't even add to it. Biko.
I'm in serious pain. I ain't come make you they come off for night. Which kind of pain be that?
Which kind of pain you are asking me?
Which pain?
Is everything you will know?
Yes.
Okay, my period just came out now. I want to go outside and
Don't do, go to another one. Don't do. Wait, man, come on, go before you cast everywhere.
Your burning desire and your courage has triggered my quick response. I will give you 2 substances. This white one will be added to the food. Take. This one will be spread across the entrance. Any name you call will go down. Go.
Thank you, grateful.
And unleash. I greet you.
Sarah. And what's her name? Afama. See, listen. I want 3 of you to listen and listen very. I do not care about what you're discussing about me and Nebechi. Just pretend as though nothing happened. You never saw anything. Because as far as I'm concerned, nothing happened. Just take it that today is your grace day. And next time I hear Pim, next time I hear Fakam from your mouth, just consider yourselves dead.
But my prince,
But what? But what? You're the most dangerous. Akwagi, you are the most dangerous. I'll deal with you soon. Come on, get out from here.
Hey, you. Come here. Come here. You're looking at me. You don't see me before. Come closer. Stand here. Stand here. Face me. Face me, Don. I want to be seen at your face.
Anyway you pass, people go to cry. So because you be prince, you the post now. Some people na kings for their end. With your car, you the flex now. Some people get them plenty for their end. Every day wahala. If you not slap, you go punch you.
Omanwam, I have always told you that one day you will make me proud.
Me self no say go make you proud.
So now that you are going there, make sure you remember everything I've been telling you. Calm down. Concentrate on the training that they will give to you.
Thank you.
Go where?
Mama.
Your father has said it all. I do not have anything to say again. Oh? Make me proud. Oh?
Hi. Bobby Mungwa.
Papa, let me go and
Aye,
drop
di.
her.
Aye, di o. Oje kwa ba. Chole kwa tum. They can miss you. They carry me since now. If you throw me the for grand, I go kill her.
No, I will not. I'm a strong man.
Bobby, this your bicycle don't hold. You for change jam.
Oh, take it.
All the money where you make from that your provision shop, what did you take and do? Go change your money.
Alright, Papa.
I want to
let me go and drop her.
I owe you now. Now don't follow. I don't want to follow.
Bye.
Who be that? When I give you chance, welcome. How you doing now?
I think I know.
We don't respect you since. Yes, even the queen they say, where you go come? Even me personally, I just dey look and say, where you dey? I dey fear how you go take come. Yes, but how you take reach here?
Now my boyfriend carry me come. He carry me with him bicycle. But as we dey reach very close, him bicycle come spoil. So
you say?
I come carry leg reach here.
Your boyfriend carry you with bicycle. Where did the bicycle like this? Now they carry you come.
Na bicycle now.
That boyfriend dey craze. Your boyfriend no get sense. Why you go carry you for bicycle? Thunder fire na you.
Bam. How you get man? You don't have respect. Why you gonna insult my boyfriend?
No, I know true. I say make thunder fire. Thunder never even go fire. I'm still calling thunder.
I don't like him. If you want us to be friends, how about now my boyfriend?
Okay, no vex.
How about
No vex. It's the way I take see now, you be like who they love. No wahala. Time go tell.
I can't see madam.
No wahala. You fit like this is the people. Just go like this.
You know that I'm not like this.
Just this way.
Don't talk about
this way. Take it easy with us. Sorry.
You have always promised to buy me a new.
You go slow down. You take it easy, Your Majesty. Wait. You go drop your bag. You go bow down for His Majesty and Her Majesty.
Good evening, Majesty. Good evening.
Christine, how are you, Oma?
I'm very fine.
Come close. Okay, Abale, eh?
Thank you.
Shall we go with you?
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
She knows it. This is Oma. She has come to stay with us here. In fact, she is part of this family now. She will work in the palace, and at the same time, we will arrange for someone to tutor her.
To what does she deserve this preferential treatment?
Oh, well, I like her. Very much so too. Oh, Oma, my son Dozie. He's the prince of this kingdom. I'm sure you know him already.
I know him.
Hey, what's that? What's the meaning of that?
You see, make it.
Who asked you to turn?
You just do like.
Why are you turning for me? Do you have bum? Eh? Now I see why she needs to be tutored. She's beautiful though.
Akabos, take her in.
Take her to the boys' quarters.
Not to the boys' quarters, please. To the ladies' quarters. And put her in that last room that has a double lock.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm not talking anything.
Like I was telling you, so you should keep it in.
I know what you can do if you want.
But please, you don't knock me.
She needs to be tutored. Yes.
How dare you block my way with this spook?
Hey, don't do that! Don't do that! What did I do you?
You just touched me? You touched me? Upon you blocking my way, this is spook!
Stop doing that!
With my precious modern car! Eh? And you have the guts. Do you know how much they sell per yard of this? 105,000 per yard. That is mad. And you have the... You're mad! How can you tell me you're mad when you almost killed us? Even following me, that is not the problem. How can you find my wife to be? Look at my property. Look at everything. Look at her bomb and then and you have the guts to touch me. Do you know who I am? Yes, you are a prince. The fact that you are a prince doesn't mean you misbehave. Say sorry. Don't be a proud man. Oh, you have the guts. What is it? To talk to Prince of Women. Even match my hold on. Let me cut off your head. I will cut off. I'll cut off your waist, your head. I'll cut off that waist. I'll cut off your head. Don't worry. I know what to do to you. That's waist. I mean your head. I'll cut it off. You'll see. You see.
Beautiful girl. What is going through your mind? Okay, I understand the fact that you're new here. But one thing I will assure you is that you'll be fine. Okay?
Not true you talk. I didn't miss home. But I will do alright.
You'll be fine. Okay, so now what's your beautiful name?
My name is Oma.
Oma, I hope they've told you that I'm the chief maid in this palace. No, just in case you've not been informed. So you know. So you know how to function.
What's happened? I hope I never do anything bad.
You not do anything. You did not do anything. Don't mind her. That's the way she behaves.
That girl.
No, she not do anything. Don't mind her.
Hi.
Don't mind her. Just...
be in my room.
Ebechi won't kill the king. Wetin he do am na? Human being.
Why didn't you eat enough breakfast?
Of course I will. I instructed Nebechi to prepare my breakfast very early. I guess it must have been ready now.
Yeah, but wait, just give me a few minutes and I'll wash my face, brush my teeth and join you at the table.
It's not necessary. I will be late to the council meeting with the executive governor.
That is what you're rushing for. Well, have a good day.
Take care of the house.
I will, as always.
Igwe. I don't put the food.
You serve the food.
Nebechi na give me. She say make I serve am.
Come. Do you know, say, you'll be beautiful girl.
Thank you. Now God go bless you.
Thank you.
Make her they go. You get wetin now they do. Something what they do they important.
Come, let me show you something.
Wetin you want show me?
Let me show you something.
For where? No done.
My brother, quiet yourself. Oh. Quiet yourself. The level where you dare not be by power. Quiet yourself. Say, my brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The life where you dare live not be by power. Quiet yourself. See the level where you're there today. It is nothing to some people out there. So make you quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. Who knows tomorrow? Nobody knows tomorrow. Onye mechi, imanechi dimeo. To make you cool it down. Make you cool yo. Nobody knows tomorrow. See you, my brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The level where you dare not be by power. Quiet yourself. Say, my brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The life where you dare live not be by power. Quiet yourself. See the level where you're there today. It is nothing to some people out there. So make you quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. Who knows tomorrow?
Okay.
Don't mind me, I was thinking.
What do you think? I hope say nobody die. Person no die, abi?
was thinking about my late parents.
Chai, I understand. But make you know they think like this. Make you no go get high BP. Life now once so. Oh? Come. Maybe this one. As you just there here, they think about this kind of thing. Now you know good. I beg. Don't think like this. You no go get high BP. Life now once so.
I'm happy to announce to you that the executive governor has finally awarded the contract to me to tar some of our roads. You can see I am so happy.
Wow. Wow. More grace to our palace coffer.
To God be the glory.
You see, this Christmas, I'm going to surprise our people. I will distribute bags of rice to my people. And some condiments to go with it. Our people must be happy this Christmas. Oh yes, and it calls for celebration. Let me toast with my lips.
More contracts?
More contracts. Agabus. Take that one. When you go and celebrate with the guards.
Hey, bring. Hey, bring. Have you taken this kind of brandy before?
Not today.
Have you? They asked you to take, you rush and took. Take, hold it.
No.
Take it.
Let it, put it down and take a soft one. That's more like
Thank you.
Sarah,
Your Majesty.
take the other one.
The alcoholic is not too high on that. I'll fix you.
Get out, Agabus. Out.
Huh? Money, man. I want to see my girlfriend now. I cannot see her. Huh? See, I'm not more comfortable with her staying in the palace and working there. Huh? What will I do? No money. Because if I have money now, I will stop her and I will marry her.
Hey, brother.
What?
Lover boy. Brother, stop having such thoughts and allow her stay there. Yes. After all, she's working and she's being paid. At least when the time of marriage comes, you will know. Brother.
Wise girl.
That's me now.
Mrs. Advisor. Come here. Fine. You know what?
What?
Later, come to the shop. I'll give you one Fuji milk.
One Fuji milk?
Yes.
Fuji milk?
Yeah, one. I'll give you one.
Okay, now. It's okay.
Wait for me, oh. No finish him. My prince.
How are you?
I did fine. Good afternoon.
Are you working?
Yes, so this is the day so see me carry my cleaner.
Wow, good. Good, that's nice. Okay, just go on. Just go on. When you're done with what you're doing, you meet me in my room. I want to discuss something with you.
You say? Make I meet you. You fit tell me what you want me here. I know the rush.
Do not bother. Just go on with your task, When you're done, just meet me up in my room.
For your room?
Yes, for my room. Okay.
I don't hear.
See that small...
I'll go clean am, na my work.
Clean it, oh
I don't
this
clean am
one.
already.
Just go close and do it.
No wahala, my. What try me say make I come for your room? For your room? Ha! Me, I don't understand this one. I don't just understand them.
Our king is a humble king. And we all know that humble people are always elevated in life.
That's true. Only a real man knows that men deserve to drink wine. Yeah. Most especially alcohol. Even though we are mere servants, he gave us another bottle of alcohol. For he knows that we are men.
Yes,
indeed we are men. I know. But people should keep singing praises about the king. I wish there was more wine so that I could keep drinking and drinking. So that you keep singing praises to the king. Let me be drinking.
My brother, is it wrong for us to praise the king?
No, I'm not saying it is wrong.
Then what are you
saying? Another thing.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is that I wish there was more wine. I would keep drinking and drinking. I'm praising the king in my mind. I wish there were more wine.
Only one.
King is a good man.
Yes. Your Highness, you make me so happy.
It's a great day. Lolo, you will employ the teacher that will tutor any moment from now. It's your suggestion, and I think now is the right time.
Your Highness, thank you. Thank you so much. You know, you're always kind to me.
It gives me great joy to do good. And henceforth we'll keep doing good. Please, to ease my heavy heart.
Your Highness, you keep talking about this heavy heart of yours. What is the problem? Why didn't you confide in me?
It's in the past.
It's always in the past. Looks like I'm fighting the past with my husband.
Where is that? Come in. Please shut the door. Just close it. Close it. Good. Come and sit here.
My prince, I don't fit do that now. How I won't take seat beside you. I'll be servant.
Oh. You actually realize that you're a servant. Then since you know you're a servant, you should be able to obey your master.
Yes.
Come on, sit here.
Sunday harmful. I don't fit do am.
Harmful?
I don't fit do am.
What is harmful? My bed is not hard, it's very soft. It's not. Just come and test it. Come and sit down.
I beg, I beg you. I take God beg you, I beg. Anything I do you, forgive me. Don't give me belle. Don't just give me belle. I know what you want to. Don't give me belle.
Come and sit. I won't give you belle, okay? Come and sit.
My prince, don't give me belle. Give me belle.
the queen of the kingdom.
Good morning. Please sit.
Thank you very much.
I invited you over because there's one of my staff I would like you to educate, bring her to speed with her education, right here in the palace.
That would be an honor, Your Majesty.
Good. I think she missed her primary education, so we need to do something. I want you to take her in all the primary subjects, especially English. Her spoken English is awful. But guess what? She is very intelligent and I know she would pick up fast.
Alright, Your Majesty. When do I commence?
I would have said today, but that's not possible, so I think tomorrow would be just perfect. Well, I guess we need to buy her textbooks, notebooks, and probably a board.
Yes.
Okay.
By the way, Your Majesty, where is she?
Oh, Afoma. Can you please call Oma? Do we get you something to drink?
Your Majesty, I'm perfectly okay.
Are you sure?
Of course, ma'am. Thank you.
Stop it! Stop!
Will you stop this nonsense immediately?
To see what has come over you.
Mother, can you imagine this stupid servant trying to stop me? What gave me that gun?
Excuse me? Who did you just call stupid?
She spoke good English.
You're sick!
I am not sick! And don't you try this nonsense with me again. Don't you.
My brother, quiet yourself. Oh. Quiet yourself. The level where you dare not be by power. Quiet yourself.